carlaskitchencc, best cooking around here. Welcome to Carla's Kitchen CC YouTube channel. Hey, Carla the big bad chef. Always like, comment and subscribe. Yeah man, comment to the thing. Carla's Kitchen CC, best cooking around here. She's creative, unique, skillful, and she's different. Always chefing it up in her kitchen. Don't forget Carla's
Hello
Kitchen
guys,
CC.
welcome back to
Clean and
Carla's
everything
Kitchen.
neat and
So
delicious.
we're here again in the
Carla's
kitchen with my aunt, and she's about to make this delicious dish. So I'm gonna allow her to tell you guys what she will be cooking today. Go ahead, my aunt.
Hi guys, this is Collins Hanty from the UK. So I'm doing some chicken neck, brown stew chicken neck, just put in the pot to take colors. It's about doing the right colors now, you know, and I'm gonna have this with turn cornmeal. This is the coconut juice there that is boiling to do the turn cornmeal. So I think we will come back to you at the finishing touch. This is just the beginning to show you guys what it's all about.
Okay, so that means you're gonna come back and show
Yeah,
them step to
the
step.
yeah, the finish. Yeah, okay, yeah.
All right, perfect. Smells good already. So she's browning the chicken neck now, guys. All right, so see you in a few. Okay, guys. So let's see what my aunt is about to do next.
Alright, so this is the cornmeal I'm about to turn. Cook it down now for it on a low heat so the cornmeal can cook properly.
Okay, so guys, she's turning the stove down. In England, they call it the cooker. Okay, so she's turning it down, low, medium.
And this will cook for the next 20 minutes.
Okay, so then we'll come back and check it. Alright?
Yeah. This is a turn cornmeal. It's finished and ready to go. Look at the beauty. Look at it. With all the mixed veg and everything in it. Have a look. Look how beautiful is that. And guys, this is already finished and the taste is very, very nice because I've done it with coconut milk and everything like this. So I'm just wanting you to taste it. You can also have this with brown stew fish or salt fish. Anything you choose to have this with, it's well put together and it will taste lovely. You just try it.
So guys, this is my lovely aunt, and she's the one who's in the kitchen today cooking up the turn cornmeal with stew chicken neck. So we are going to check the chicken neck now to see how the chicken neck is looking and the taste. She's going to taste it and tell you guys how it is tasting.
Alright guys, this is the chicken neck that I represent before. This is the finishing touch right now. And guys, look at it. You want to taste it to go with the turn cornmeal. Oh God, I'm just going to taste a bit for you guys and let you know.
Okay.
It is so rich and nice. Look at it. Look.
Wow.
Look. So I'm just going to
good.
taste a bit. Oh my God.
How is it tasting?
It is really nice.
Wow, I can't wait to have some of it.
It's really nice with turn
this
cornmeal.
Turn cornmeal looking so delicious, guys. And trust me, she will flavor up her pot. Yes. So now you guys will see, you know, where Carla's kitchen and get her cooking skills and all of that from, because it is in our blood. My aunt is a very good cook. Yes.
And a baker too.
And a baker. Yes. You hear her, guys? So this is it. So I guess when she share it out and put it on a nice plate, then I'll show it to you on the plate. Alright?
Okay guys. Thank you.
How amazing this is looking, guys. Turn cornmeal with stewed chicken neck, avocado, cucumbers, lettuce, and cherry tomatoes. So delicious, very yummy, easy to prepare. Try this recipe out. please remember to like the video, and if it's your first time here on this channel, please subscribe to the channel, touch my notification bell to all. It will alert you every time when I post a new video. Please leave some comments on this video and tell me your thoughts. Thank you so much once again for your support. To all my supporters, thank you very much for supporting my channel. In everything that you're doing, guys, put God first. Be kind to yourselves so you know how to show kindness to others. Be good, do good, walk good, and good will always follow you. Yes, guys, thanks again for your support. Take very good care of yourselves, and I will see you again in another video, guys. And please don't forget to share this video out with your friends and your families. Take care, guys. See you. Bye.